Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. We're here with all of the Bavarian Brigade. We got Jas, Diego, we got the M3, new 335, freshly painted car. What do you guys think of the new color?
Yeah, I know. Last time I saw you, it felt like a year ago.
Looks pretty sick. New hood, new paint. If you want to see more, go follow him on Instagram. Looking pretty good. We got Wally's M2, Cam and Marlowe's 1 Series. They took the wrap off as well, so they're all black. And we got Steve's beautiful, beautiful M4. That's Ben's 335. He's new to the group. Check out Marty's new front lip. We put that on last night. Rods, courtesy of Quinn. Piece of Quinn lives on. What do you guys think of the front lip? Turned out so awesome. Perfect backdrop for YouTube right here at the Bubble Tea chat time at Deerfoot City. We got a new M4 that just rolled up. Very, very nice. And then we got Justine's Beamer and Yolanda's ST. Looking clean, ladies. Very nice. And then we got a PT Cruiser with Lambo doors. Pretty sweet, huh? What do you think? Got some custom hydro dipping. It's all in the details. You guys will probably remember this. Brandon's bagged Mustang from the So Scare show. On the ground. These guys were with us at the Hyundai show. Pretty good turnout for a Friday night. Steve's got his M4 parked like a hot rodder. Bagged in the rear, lifted in the front. What a stance.
You guys think this got turned into hail? Cleaning it, dude. I don't think so. It's not supposed to. Yeah, I might have ripped the top here.
I'll put my ceramic in it.
Yeah, we're.
Well, on that note, I think it's time to pack her in.
Probably hail.
The
Raindrops are getting
so big and bad. Oh man, here we go. All right, well, we found some non-raining parts of the city, and it's Friday night. Guess what Friday night means? Ice cream. Let's head down to Village and get us some good ice cream. Look how cool that looks, if you can see it. It's pouring. But it looks so cool against that building. We are hiding in an underground covered shelter sort of thing because it sounded like hail. Here comes the Momentum crew. Justin? Norm? Here we got Jason. Josh from King of Chips. We got Norm. Norm in the supercharged Lamborghini Gallardo. Wow, that's freaking loud. So insane.
Wasn't really a fan of that. Yeah, you know, it slows you down, man.
Can I get a single soup?
Thank you.
Hi there.
Borscht Taycan.
That's cool. That sounds fucking sick. I like it. It looks like cotton candy.
For any of those who were wondering, yes, I got a chance earlier this week to polish stone up really nicely. I didn't vlog it, I just took the day off and took care of my car. Treat it with respect and it will last a long time for you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Just random cars and bubble tea and ice cream and Friday night fun. That's all it's about. Being with good people, having a blast, enjoying our amazing automobiles and sharing them with all our friends and family. So such a blast today. I had so much fun. It was a great way to end the week and just unwind. Forget about all the day-to-day stress and do the things you love. So on that note, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.